I can step on the accelerator, it shuts off. I touch the clutch, it shuts off. There's no hanging on it. It's not sitting there making all kinds of popping noises. It is, I am not gonna say yet it's 100%. I'm gonna run it hard today. We're going out to Booth Bay, the road out there to pave. I did not go get a load of sand this morning because I started my day off with a tire that was flat. It wasn't really flat, but it was soft. And of course, I found the issue, which what happened to be the valve core was just slightly loose enough to let it leak out. So I just pumped air into it. I was supposed to go to the pit and grab sand, but I'm just gonna head right to the plant now and wash out, get ready to go on top. So let's get down there and do that. God, that's nice. What I can say right now is the engine brake is a lot better than what it used to be. And again, I'm still working it. We got a long ride ahead of us. Today's gonna be a long day. We're gonna burn up quite a bit of fuel. It's 30 miles one way out, so we got 30. So you're talking 60 miles round trip. We're just going to keep plugging away at this. As I said, as of right now, everything's going pretty good. Yeah, this job, I'm sorry the engine fan's going, I'm backing up. This road here we're paving is one truck at a time, and they are pulling it full width. Basically from shoulder to shoulder with the paver. They get the road completely shut down, so this next load I'll try to get you on the body. Right now I just had to get down here, get spun around, get backing up the road. Try to show you what happens on the next load. Now you've seen the road coming out. I wound up doing, I guess it was wide enough where they did 2 passes. The other driver there, she's gonna finish that up. Then they're gonna swap back over to full width. I'm not sure if there's another spot where they're gonna do 2 passes or not. But yeah, now that's the distance we're getting back in, pretty much a mile. But we'll find out when I get back how far it will be. I mean, it's only gonna be like maybe 4 loads today, 3 or 4 loads today. So we got the flow boys with us. I'll get back to the plant and get another load. Boy, things have changed today. Done on hot top. I'll just kind of figure out real quick. Got done on hot top, went up to Savannah's pit, up close to my house, to start hauling sand in. Well, gate's locked. I don't have a key. I do have keys to locks from the previous owners. I was told it was possible that was one of the older locks that I have a key for. So I went home, grabbed my key, went back up to the gate, to the pit. It's not the same key. So now, instead of driving all the way back to the plant empty, we're gonna swing into the quarry. We're gonna grab a load of rock to bring back to the plant to either dump in the pile or dump in the crusher.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. And I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Told the crusher, dumping into the crusher, but the crusher was not running, so we dumped it in the stockpile. Now I got a key for the pit. Let's go up there and haul some sand in. Okay, give you an update. Jake rig on this thing worked flawless today. Just like it should. Sundays, I'll probably do a live stream Sunday. Go over everything that they had to do in the motor. There was more done than I've initially told you. So yeah, live stream on Sunday. Probably video Sunday. Those get changed. But I did do that airbag last night. If you saw the short, I wound up changing that airbag right there. I'm trying to stay on this side of the truck. My daughter and her boyfriend are in the driveway playing basketball, so they got the speaker going, music playing. That's my bad time. So yeah, well, everything that they've done on the motor so far, I have to say, has done nothing but improve it. I did those 2 loads of hot top out to Booth Bay, plus 5 loads of sand out of the pit up here by my house, which is only about 4 miles that way. Maybe 3 as the crow flies. So today I averaged 5 miles to the gallon, which isn't too bad considering the distance that I was hauling with the 2 out to Booth Bay and the sand. So we're gonna call it here. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, stay safe. I'll see you in the next one.